Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you a new sticker that just rolled out on Instagram called Chat, where you could chat right inside of your Instagram story. And if it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media and tech videos every single day of the week, so please consider subscribing. So I just clicked the logo here. I'm just going to take a picture of a black surface and let's press the sticker icon on the top of the screen. And you should have a new chat sticker here. If you don't have it, make sure you update your Instagram app as always. And if you still don't have it, just give it a little bit of time. These updates do take a little bit of time to roll out to all accounts. I'm gonna press chat here. And here are a few options. You can name the chat. So I'm gonna say, let's talk about Instagram. And then you have the color wheel here where you could change the text color of the chat. And now I could press done. I could, as any other sticker, go ahead and resize this, put it in the center of the page, and I could share this to my story. I'm gonna share it to my story and I'm gonna have someone request a chat to show you what happens on the next step. So now when other people do view this, I could scroll up here and I could see who viewed it. So you see the viewers on the bottom. And then you could see requests. Those are the people that pressed join chat and requested to join the chat. So at any time I could press start chat here and it would launch a chat window with whoever requested the chat. And just like any other chat here, I could just go ahead and message there and press send. And everybody in that group chat that I let in that requested to be part of that chat is going to be part of this chat.